my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to swatch the Beauty Big Bang XL-080 plate. It is I just love it. I'm just going to tell you right off because it's like that water marble looking plate. Some abstract designs and some water marble. Oh yes, here we go. So it had some different images on it than I've seen some other plates, so I went ahead and picked this one to swatch today. So I'm going to peel off that blue film. I'm going to clean it with some acetone. And I always wipe it with a paper towel so it doesn't look all foggy. I'll be using my AliExpress stamper, my beauty scraper, and finger paints, white and black polishes today. So here we go. We're just going to get right on into it. And I just use old nail tips from swatch wheels that when I've swatched polishes. So I don't really know what any of these colors are. They're just random. After I get through and fill up a swatch wheel, I just break them all off and put them in a little bucket to use for this purpose right here. It gives us some variety. Now this image right here is really cool. I really like it. I don't know what it is about it, but I love it. There we go. And another one. This one's kind of wild looking. Jumping right on into these. And I do love the variety with the different images. You could use these for backgrounds or whatever. I mean, you know, you could use them all on their own. Oop, that side didn't take. Let's see if we can fix it. Good save. And this one right here is probably one of my favorites. It's two mixed animal prints, and I love it. There we go. Very groovy. And then hearts. You can't ever go wrong with hearts. Any color combination totally works. This one's pretty cool. Looks like the wind. And you got some like foliage looking stuff. And then lastly, one of those beautiful designs that I always love. So here are the swatches up close. I'll try to go slow so that you can get a chance to see them. Now this one right here, second to the end, kind of caught me off guard. I almost looked like I was missing my swatch. So I hope you enjoyed these. I do have a photo coming up. Don't forget to use my discount code if you order from them. I want to thank you for watching and